Today this video will be showing on top 4 benefits of vitamin E for hair and skin. Before we start, make sure you click the subscribe button and press the bell icon, because we post natural health and beauty related video every single day. Vitamin E is a powerful, fat-soluble antioxidant that can rejuvenate your health as well as beauty. It encompasses a group of 8 compounds that include both tocopherols and tocotrienols. It works as an immune booster, promotes good circulation, regulates blood sugar, keeps your heart healthy, prevents stroke-induced brain damage, and protects against certain cancers. You can easily buy pure vitamin E oil or vitamin E capsules to use in home beauty treatments. Unless otherwise noted, use these remedies until you get the desired result. Here are the top 4 benefits of vitamin E for hair and skin. Number 1. Stimulates hair growth. Vitamin E has antioxidant properties that help repair damaged hair follicles and prevent tissue corrosion, which in turn encourages healthy hair growth. It also deeply conditions the hair from root to shaft to make it healthier and shinier, and even prevents premature graying. Mix the contents of 2 vitamin E capsules in 2 tablespoons of warm olive or coconut oil. Massage the mixture onto your scalp using your fingertips in circular motions. Wait 30 minutes, then wash your hair as usual. Repeat this hair growth treatment 2 or 3 times a week. You can also massage your scalp with coconut milk, rich in vitamin E. Leave it on for 30 minutes, and then rinse it out with lukewarm water. Do this a few times a week. Also, include vitamin E-rich foods in your diet to nourish your hair from within. Number 2. Fades scars. Another beauty benefit of vitamin E is that it can help fade scars. Being an antioxidant, it accelerates the healing of damaged skin and prevents scars from becoming permanent. In addition, its moisturizing property keeps the skin hydrated and helps repair damaged tissue. Apply the oil extracted from a vitamin E capsule on the affected skin. Massage it gently for 5 to 10 minutes. Allow it to sit for at least 30 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. Do this twice daily until you are satisfied with the result. Number 3. Fights wrinkles. You can use vitamin E to fight wrinkles, age spots, and other signs of aging. Vitamin E has the power to reverse the damage done by harmful solar radiation and the free radicals in our environment. It even boosts the production of collagen that adds elasticity to your skin, which prevents aging signs like wrinkles. Apply the oil from a vitamin E capsule directly on the affected skin daily before going to bed. Leave it on overnight. The next morning, rinse it off with warm water. You can even massage the affected areas with warm olive oil, a rich source of vitamin E, 2 or 3 times daily. Eating vitamin E-rich foods regularly is another simple and effective way to fight signs of aging. Number 4. Softens rough and dry hands. Vitamin E is a great moisturizer for dry and rough hands. It helps keep your skin soft, supple, and moisturized. In addition, it prevents the skin on your hands from sagging, which makes your hands look old. Mix a little vitamin E oil with your body lotion and apply it on your hands to keep them moisturized for a longer period. You can also add the contents of 2 vitamin E capsules, the juice of 1 lemon, and some honey to a small tub or bowl filled with lukewarm water. Soak your hands in it for 10 to 15 minutes. Pat dry, then apply some moisturizer. Follow this remedy a few times a week. You can even massage your rough hands with some warm olive oil for 5 to 10 minutes daily before going to bed to enjoy soft and smooth hands. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Take care of your health. Bye.